Make a great choice today with the 2020 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.